Hi, I'm Jim Grant. I just want to share with you my personal experience in attending the box workshop here at Speaking Empire. Let me just humbly say that the box that I got created for me greatly exceeded my expectations. Number one, I don't have that artistic ability to put something like this together. Number two, it was a lot more than what I expected. It really gave me an opportunity to see, wow, I can really look good and get my message across, and the box creates value to people that I'm representing or talking to. And most importantly, I've done research online like a lot of people do, looking for how to put together a box and yada yada yada. I would just venture to say that the amount of money that I would spend in creating what I got in my hands today would more than pay for the course in the long run, in the savings. And I highly recommend the box workshop because not only you get a finished product, there's a lot of information that's revealed and taught in the class, a lot of shortcuts, a lot of good pointers, information you won't normally think of, because these folks at Speaking Empire, they have the experience because they've been down that road and they can share that with you. How do you Google and find experience on the internet? Again, I'm Jim Grant. I sincerely hope I've said something that will encourage you to make the right decision and attend Box Workshop, because if you're wanting a good box and you're wanting a good package to present that you'd be proud of, Box Workshop's where it's at. Thank you.